No, keep going.
I wish Melania would say that.
Oh.
He's gone too far once again. Well, looks like I'll just have to entertain you three. I'm always working on my stand-up comedy.
Oh, let's hear it.
All right. Rachel, I do a tremendous job.
Oh my God!
You got it already. Oh, that's incredible. That has got to be the fastest guess I've had maybe since breakfast.
It's my first time shopping.
Anthropology?
Expensive place for.
Well, looks like I'll just have to entertain you three. I'm always working on my stand-up comedy.
Oh, let's hear it.
All right. Rachel, I do a tremendous job.
Oh my God!
You got it already. Oh, that's incredible. That has got to be the fastest guess I've had maybe since breakfast.
It's gonna be huge.
Oh, it is. Don't tell Melania because she'll just do this all the time. And I have no shortage of material. If I run out of material, Rachel, which wouldn't happen because I've got a very large brain, huge brain, one of the biggest brains I think they've ever seen. And if I've offended you already, I'll keep going.
Keep going. Keep going.
Make
please.
sure you make it. Get your feet in the Gulf of America. Much better than the Mexican one. Some are saying it's not as brown. I don't know. Oh, I think he's gone too far with that one.
No, keep going.
I wish Melania would say that. He's gone too far once again. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna ditch this place. I know of a really nice island we could go to.
Epstein's.
Tremendous, one of the best islands. When you get there, we've got an amazing drink ready for you. We need to keep it clean. When we're grooming these girls, we have to have privacy. We really do. And then we set them up for the pageant. We have the Miss Preteen pageant. That's the best. Oh, he's gone too far once again.
No, crush it.
Any questions for the Donald?
Yeah.
Yeah, let me think. Just give me a couple minutes.
What
You
do you?
you should totally.
What do you think about all these illegal immigrants that are coming into our country?
Oh, the immigrants, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, don't get me started with the immigrants. Half of my family's immigrants. My wife's an immigrant. Let's see who else. Someone else in there. Who do I have? I can't. When you have this type of brain injury, you really can't think that. Oh, should we stop? We'll stop. Let him go. Oh, couldn't run the red light. Oh, am I talking out loud again? Where was I? What was the question? Oh, the immigrants. Oh, yes.
Illegal.
You know what? I think I'm going to build another wall.
Where's this one
It's
going?
going to be south of Canada. We need to keep Justin out. You see the way he checks out Melania?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. It's going to be a tremendous wall. It'll be bigger than the wall of China.
China.
It's going to be huge. And, I'm going to get Justin to pay for it. Justin will pay for the wall. I think he's dating Katy Perry now.
Oh,
May
he
not
is
have to worry
the Prime
about it.
Minister.
Oh, she's really hit. She's out of this world. She goes into space. Then she comes back and takes over Canada. Oh, she's going to hook up with Elon soon.
Yes.
You know what you do when you put an F in front of Elon? What do you get? Oh, second best answer. Felon.
Oh.
That's
actually good.
I was like, where's this going?
Yeah. Yeah, we're like,
Sounds like a cat. Like a
That's what I was thinking.
Maybe a muskrat.
Feline.
We'll call him Muskrat. That's my little name for him. Thank you for letting me entertain you, ladies.
No, thank you.
Really?
That was everything.
Can I post it on YouTube?
Absolutely.
Oh, you guys are
100%.
tremendous.
It's gonna be
It's gonna be. Oh, red. These red lights are. There's too many red lights. Normally I'm in my helicopter. Oh, I spotted a 10. I saw it first.
Shut those lights off.
Oh, you guys are fun.
Yard house is cool.
Is Sage right here? Should I bring the table? Oh, no, probably.
You can find me on YouTube, Driving with Alex.
Driving without.
All one word, Driving with
I'm
Alex.
gonna look you up.
Oh, I didn't see it. I didn't see it.
Oh, not the glare.
Oh, right in front of the police officers. You think they saw me? Hopefully
It's
nobody
okay.
saw me.
The police.
I'm the president. You guys can go home. Anywhere?
You want to turn left right here and we'll get out? Because you don't have to run across in front of the officers. Only one illegal move for
Yeah.
tonight.
I'm
And
done.
I'm brown, so.
This is perfect.
And I'll tell you something, not a lot of people know this, Rachel, but I'll tell you guys
Okay.
because you're pretty cool. The J in Donald J. Trump stands for genius.
Bye. We love you, Trump.
Yay. Bye-bye.